For the easy prevention and removal of neck wrinkles, Blumbody has created neck pads. Boost smooth and tighten skin after the very first use. Before each application, make sure the neck area is thoroughly clean, dry, and free of moisturizer or sunscreen. You can soak a cotton pad with micellar water, then delicately wipe across the neck area. Remove the protective sheet from the pad and gently apply it on your neck, fixing it in place with your fingers. Make sure the pad is properly attached to your skin by eliminating any visible air bubbles. Prevent new wrinkles before they form by wearing the comfortable pads while working on your laptop or surfing through social media on your phone. Wear the Blumbody neck pads during sleep to repair the wrinkles that have already formed. After wearing them for at least 1 hour, carefully detach the pads from your skin. Every 2 uses, it is important to clean the pads in order to remove dead skin cells which attach to their surface. Place the pads under running water and using the special soap, gently draw circles across the adhesive side. Place the pads back in their box, sticky part facing up, and let them air dry. Do not stick them back on the protective sheet, as they will lose adhesion faster. Blumbody Neck Pads. Forget about scarves and turtleneck tops. Your neck can look as young and youthful as you feel.